Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss question number 424 of your ISS 2023 that belongs to your set A. So here you can see in this question it says that consider the contingency table presenting the number of skilled and unskilled labor against their gender. What is the value of the chi-square for testing the association between gender and the nature of work? So here two attributes are given and we have to find the value of chi-square, right? Contingency table is given here. So basically here, like whenever we have given a contingency table and using it we have to find the value of chi-square, so there is always a formula for that, because this question question belongs to your chapter number 15 of mathematical statistic of Gupta and Kapoor. You can search it on page number 15.34, right? So for this table you have to use a formula to find the value of chi-square. I am going to write here the formula of chi-square: AD minus BC whole square whole upon A plus C, B plus D, A plus B and C plus D. So where I am getting these values, so first of all I'm going to draw a general contingency table where I have A, B, C and D. Here is the addition of AB, here is the addition of CD, here is the addition of AC, here is the addition of BC, and here we can write the addition of all four terms A, B, C and D, which is represented by the capital N. So here I am not going too deep in this what is like association, what are the attributes. So basically when I will start chapter number 13, which is all about your attributes and association between two attributes, so we will discuss it later. But right now you have to remember that for a 2x2 contingency table there is a value of a chi-square, because chi-square always used to find whether there is any association between two attributes or not. Okay, it is also called your non-parametric test. So using this value of chi-square, this formula of chi-square, we can easily get the value. So here you can see in the question that we have given, what is the value of n? N is the sum of all four values that are given, like the value of A, B, C, D. So it is your 30, 30, 60, then 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. So n is coming 100. Now AD, A into D means 30 into 20, which is 600. Again B into C, B into C means 30 into 20, which is again coming 600, and there is whole square. Now here if we are seeing that in the numerator we can easily cancel out 600 into 600, we are getting 0, so there is no need to calculate the denominator. Why? Because the answer is coming 0. Chi-square is coming 0, so that is why we can say this is the option, this is given in your option number D, right? So this will be our answer. But if we are going to interpret it, we can say that there is no association between the gender and the nature of work. Okay, so this is our final answer. So please do let me know in the comment box if you like the explanation or not. If yes, then please like my video, share with your friends, and do let me know if you want to join my live. This is for ISS. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well as on Instagram. So thank you for watching it. Have a nice day.